What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to switch on the Redmi Note 13R. So to switch on the mobile, press and hold the power button of your mobile. So just simply press and hold until you see the logo on the screen. So when this logo appear, it will take few seconds to switch on your phone. Now wait for few seconds. So now you can see the mobile is now turned on. So that's how you can switch on Redmi Note 13R. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.